Gusto mo bang malaman kung maayos yung pagkakasulat mo ng iyong resume? Gumawa ako ng CV Quality Checklist and i-share ko yung link para pwede mo siyang ma-download after watching these videos. Ano yung content ng checklist? It's a self-assessment tool. Babasahin ko isa-isa at kung magustuhan mo, i-download mo. Section 1 is content. My CV includes a clear and compelling professional summary. May example yan para makita mo what it actually means. My work experience is listed in reverse chronological order, latest first, and emphasizes relevance. I use action verbs and quantify my achievements. Example, led a team of 4 in launching a new CRM system, reducing customer response time by 25%. Next is I have tailored my CV to the specific job I am applying for. That's very important. Included relevant technical and transferable skills like project management, data analysis, etc. Pag-usapan naman natin ang formatting and design. My CV uses consistent formatting throughout, font, spacing, and headers. I use bullet points to present details clearly and concisely. I avoid graphics, tables, or designs that confuse applicant tracking systems kasi may mga kumpanya na gumagamit ng automated system to sort candidates. I use standard 1-inch margins and enough white space for easy reading. My CV is concise, ideally 1 to 2 pages. Section 3 is relevance and customization. I customize my CV for each job by using keywords from job description. I leave out personal information not relevant to the job like age, religion, marital status. My CV shows clear career growth and progression. I have included relevant certification, training, or volunteer experiences. I avoid vague terms like hardworking or team player and provide specific examples instead. Section 4 is professional branding. My contact information is professional and updated, so email address, phone, and LinkedIn. My CV aligns with my personal brand and is consistent with my LinkedIn profile and cover letter. I've included links to my portfolio website or LinkedIn if relevant. My CV is free from typos and grammatical mistakes. My CV highlights what makes me unique and sets me apart. So lahat po yun ay merong examples para makita mo kung tama ang pagkakasulat mo o pagkakagawa mo ng iyong resume. I hope this helps.